Here's my invitation to delicious food. Yeah. Listen to me. It's time to cook it now. Ingredients acquired. Okay, genius, grab an apple. If you're as high-tech as I am, you will use a machine. Apple goes on. Round and round it goes. Round spinning apple. Spin! Look at that. Like magic. Yeah. Peeled and cored. Take a chocolate caramel bar. Shove it into the core. Squash it down. Give these people air. Yeah. Wrap the apple in puff pastry. Time to get fancy. Then into the oven. Top with ice cream. Yeah, the finished product looks different. That's cause I dropped the first one, stupid. Yeah.